Hello everyone, my name is Sumin, and today I'd like to share my assignment street project, an interactive face map that visualizes the collective experiences of the K-skincare community. Along the way, I will also talk about how communities of practice and my cellular creativity inspired my design. Firstly, what is a community of practice? It's not just a group of people who like the same thing. It's a living, growing network where members share, learn, and create knowledge together. In my case, the domain is K-skincare. People from all over the world, especially in Australia, coming together to discuss products, routines, and skin concerns. In last semester's UX project, I explored the layer practices and challenges of K-skincare fans living in Australia. The repertoire of the K-skincare community in Australia is incredibly rich and diverse. It's not just about product reviews, like member shared troubleshooting tips, organize group purchases to save on shipping, and translate ingredient lists of instructions, and constantly update each other on the latest routines and trends. For example, in popular base group like Korean Beauty and Skincare Australia, or in the Asian Beauty subreddit, and people post detailed reviews like blah blah and ask for advice about adapting Korean routines to Australia's dry climate. One thing I found in my own interview is that many communities members take on a lot of vocals, like bridging language and cultural gaps, or simply helping others access products safely. For example, when I interviewed, some of them talked about asking friends for translation help or banding together for group buys. Sojin told me that I've joined group purchases with other Korean friends because it's just too expensive to buy himself, and they also use KakaoTalk to share payment receipts and track the delivery together. Others like Hyun described the importance of trust, that she always double check with friends or look for verified sellers online because she's worried about buying bags, or sometimes she even asks friends in Korea to send products directly. Through secondary research, I also found data showing that language barriers directly impact trust and product satisfaction. Like 55% of consumers globally only buy online in their mother tongue. When information is unclear or only in Korean, most Australians hesitate to purchase. It's these comments in Octopus Translation 2022, and they are even more non-sensed pain points like high shipping costs and lack of availability in Australia, like which leads to group buying as a creative solution, and concerned about fake goods, so people check reviews, rely on recommendations, and look for authenticity guarantees. And this kind of collective calling, sharing knowledge, translating, pooling resources makes the community stronger and more resilient, and is a real world example of my cellular creativity. Like by connecting and sharing and building trust, and the community is able to grow in all directions and adapt to new challenges. Inspired by this, I created a real-time collaborated face map technology. It uses JavaScript and WebSockets when a user adds a skin concern like
like forehead acne. Stickers appears on the face map randomly placed in the relevant area. Every submission also includes details like climate, language, and even a group by counters or influencer tip or updated live across every browser tab. I simulated different users by opening multiple tabs and playing different roles just like real members with different needs and backgrounds. Each new sticker is like a new alpha in a fungal network, spreading knowledge and making the map richer and more helpful for everyone. This is where my cellular creativity comes in. Just like a mycelium grows in all directions, connecting roots and sharing nutrients, and our current community grows as we share our experience, ideas, and questions. The more we contribute, the stronger and more creativity the network becomes, and the fruits of our collective growth are visual on the face map. Each sticker, each new idea is a sign of the community's health. This is my presentation. Thank you.